Hello guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to fix the error we couldn't complete the updates undoing changes in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go over here on the Windows Start button, click on it and type CMD. Command prompt and make sure to run as the administrator. And this will show up on your screen. Now, first of all, this loop typically starts after a failed or incomplete update. So by running SFC scan now, this will help restore those corrupted files that's preventing updates from finalizing. So go ahead, SFC scan now, do this, hit enter, then your PC will scan for those corrupted files. As you can see, it might take a few minutes, but once this hits 100%, it will show that it has found and successfully repaired those corrupted files. You can now click X, restart your computer. Since those files has been restored already, then once you've restarted your computer, everything should now be fixed. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.